Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's topic of discussion is pneumatic system. The pneumatic system has played an essential role in the mechanical field, and also it is being used in industrial automation solutions and development. These systems are related to hydraulic system. The only difference is compressed air is used in this system instead of hydraulic fluid. In pneumatic systems, the term pneuma means air, whereas the term pneumatic means the compressed air to perform a specific task. The atmospheric air, when its volume is decreased through compression, is called as compressed air. As such, the pressure can be increased. Normally, compressed air is used as a working medium in different applications. By using pneumatic system, we can develop maximum force up to 50 kN. The system that uses compressed air for transmitting and controlling energy in various industries is known as pneumatic system. These systems mainly work by using constant compressed air supply, which is provided by an air compressor. The compressor takes air from the atmosphere and store it in receiver, which is known as high pressure tank. After that, this compressed air is supplied through a series of valves or pipes. Pneumatic system construction. The construction of pneumatic system can be done by using different components. Pneumatic system components mainly include intake filter. An intake filter is used to filter out the pollutants from the air, which is also known as air filter. Compressor. The main function of the compressor is to reduce the volume of air and increase the air pressure. Motor controller center. The motor in this system is used to supply mechanical energy to the compressor because the motor function is to change the energy from electrical to mechanical. Cooler. The cooler is used to decrease the temperature of compressed air. Separator. The separator is used to separate the moisture or water vapor within the air. Receiver. The receiver in this system is a high pressure tank which is used to store the compressed air which is coming from the air cooler. Secondary air treatment. The air treatment in the system can be separated into three stages. So, in the first stage, the large size particles are banned from entering the compressor through an intake filter. The air exit from the compressor may have a high temperature, so it is treated in the next stage. In the final stage, the compressed air temperature is decreases with a cooler and the compressed air can be dried through a dryer. Pressure switch. Pressure switch in the above system are used to detect the increase or decrease in the air pressure, which are either changeable or adjustable. These switches are used in vacuum or pressure applications. Control valve. The control valve in the system is used to change the airflow direction. Actuator. In a pneumatic system, the actuator is an essential part, and the main function of this actuator is to use the compressed air energy, which is also called as pressure energy, and change it into mechanical energy. So we can get the final output from the air actuator. Now let's see the working of the system. At first, the air is taken directly from the atmosphere by using air filter. This air is cleaned and purified within the air filter. These filters are essential because if the air is used directly from the atmosphere, it can damage the compressor, so that the life of the compressor will decrease. After that, the atmospheric air is entered to the compressor. The air can be supplied to air compressor, which is driven by motor controller center, the mechanical energy produced by electric motor. The air compressor increases the air pressure and decreases the volume of air. When the air pressure increases, then its temperature can also be increased. So the cooler is attached here. Thus the next step is to the compressed air is transmitted to air cooler, which reduce the temperature of compressed air, but its pressure will remain the same, so that we can use the compressed air further. After that, the air is passed to the separator to remove the moisture from the air, or to remove the water vapor from the air. Further, the air which is cooled and separated is transmitted and stored within the receiver tank. After that, this air is transmitted to the air treatment chamber, which is also known as FRL unit, filter, regulator and lubricator unit. Once the air is moved from this chamber, then it is dried. In pneumatic system, this process, the air treatment process, is very important because the components used in pneumatic system are delicate. If this system is not used, then the air might be get wet and warm because it is passed through the cooler and it is transmitted directly to the receiver tank. So this will have a serious impact on the remaining parts such as compressor, cooler, separator, receiver, controller valve, or as well as actuators. It will damage the components. So by using the air treatment unit, the system performance and efficiency can be increases. Now the air from the air treatment plant is transmitted to the control valve to change the direction of flow based on the requirement. Finally, the air actuator uses the energy of compressed air and converted into mechanical energy. Thus we get the final output from the actuator. This is the working of pneumatic system. Let's see the advantages of pneumatic system. The advantages of pneumatic systems includes its design is simple, the system is very efficient, it has high effectiveness, ability of source is infinite, it is highly reliable and durable, safety aspects, it is safe, economical, air can be stored in the receiver tank, transfer of power and speed is very simple to set up, high adaptability to the harsh environment, simple selection of pressure and speed, and it is very eco-friendly. The disadvantages of pneumatic systems include it has relatively low accuracy compared to hydraulic systems, low loading power, the processing required before used, uneven moving speed because we used air, needs air producing equipment installed because as the medium is air, so we need the only equipment which produce air. Easy to leak. Air leakage is not such a major problem, but if the air is leaking, then it will affect the efficiency and performance of the system. Less operating pressure, simple condenses. As compared to electricity, compressed air is more costly. A silencer needs to install in each dump line because these systems will generate a lot of noise. When these systems need special pipe, then the cost of installation will be increases. These systems are not upgradable. So these are the number of disadvantages the pneumatic system has. Let's move to its applications. The applications of pneumatic systems included the systems uses in manufacturing industries like machine tools, automotive, domestic appliances, and commercial appliances. This system are also used in processing industries like food processing, chemicals, textiles, papers, petrochemicals, etc. These are used in railway coaches, automobile braking systems, and printing presses. These are also used in industrial robots for different purposes like packing, filling, drilling, stamping, punching, hoisting, clamping, etc. These are also used in assembly systems, plastics, machinery, car washes, test systems, also used to drive both the rotary and linear and actuators, coolant systems, opening and closing the door, petroleum markets, in different types of equipments of material handling, medical equipments and logic controlling operations, in nut runners and power hammers, also used in machine tool operations. So this is all about an overview of pneumatic system. its working and its applications. These systems are powered through compressed air, so the energy generated by this system can be more reliable, less costly, more flexible, and not dangerous as compared to other devices which generate power in different ways like electric motors or actuators. So that's all for this video. Here is a question for you. What are the examples of the pneumatic systems? Do comment the answers. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the like button. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.